Well folks, here we are. I finally found him. Mater from Cars, abandoned in the middle of nowhere. My mission today is simple. Bring this old tow truck back to life and take him for a ride. Look at this place. Open fields, forests in the distance. What happened here? How long has this truck been sitting out here? Forgotten like some relic from Radiator Springs. Check this out. Lightyear tires. Just like in the movie, this wheel has seen better days. But man, the connection to that Cars universe is real. Old American tow trucks, they built them tough back then. Now look at this old rusty rim. Compare it to what we got. The difference is night and day, but that's what we're here for, to swap out the junk and get Mater rolling again. There he is, my boy Mater in all his rusty glory. Open cab, weathered metal, that tow hook ready to work. He's been waiting for someone to give him a second chance. That someone is me. That crane mechanism, that chain and hook pointing up to the sky. Classic American tow truck engineering. They don't make them like this anymore. Oil for Lightning McQueen. Can you believe this? Someone left a canister here with that exact label, but it seems more like water anyway. Yeah, it's just water, but at least I can wash some of the dust and grime off these seats and make the inside look a little cleaner. Alright, that should be enough for now. Let's take a look around and see what other interesting things are hiding in here. Rubber hoses, some fittings. Everything's corroded but potentially usable. When you're restoring an old truck like Mater, you save everything. No surprise, Mater keeps a stash of tools for quick roadside repairs out in the middle of nowhere. Looks like I'm basically becoming a little bit of a Mater myself. Honestly, this truck looks seriously abandoned. Mater already has that rusty old look by default, but this one feels like it's been sitting out here untouched for a very, very long time. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Let's see what kind of engine Mater's got. Dusty, rusty. Although all the main components are still here, none of this is looking very good right now. Oh, and there it is. The classic Tow Mater logo right on the side. I think finding Tow Mater out here definitely deserves a subscription to the channel. Climbing into the cab now to check out the interior. The seat's completely worn out, leather cracked everywhere, but the bones are good. Look at the steering wheel and dash. Everything's covered in decades of grime, but mechanically, it's all still there. We can work with this. Whoa, look at this. It's the legendary Piston Cup trophy from the famous races. The Piston Cup trophy, right here in Mater's cab. I can't make this stuff up. It's like Lightning McQueen himself left this behind as a gift. The dashboard is completely dead, and honestly it looks pretty bare bones too. Everything is simple and rough around the edges, just like Tow Mater himself. The cab's seen better days, but she's solid. Rust eating through the metal. Nothing some bodywork and elbow grease can't fix eventually. That tow hook and chain hanging over the water. Beautiful sight actually. This is what Mater was built for, pulling vehicles out of tough spots. Classic American tow truck doing what it does best. Let's test the towing mechanism and see if we can haul Lightning McQueen's wheels without any problems. Got the hook locked in, now I'm lifting the tow rig nice and slowly. It's working, but I'm switching to a smaller lever so I can crank this thing up a lot faster. Haha, it actually worked. That's hilarious. I didn't expect it to come together this well. Working with the engine compartment for real now. This is where the magic happens. Or doesn't happen, depending on what we find. Let's see what kind of shape this old motor is in. Oh crap, the system isn't sealed anymore. The radiator water is pouring straight out, and just look at all that rust built up inside. Let me slide this hose back on and see if it holds together now. The whole cooling system is a mess. Rust on every surface. Hose is cracked and brittle. This is gonna be a complete rebuild of the coolant circuit. Not fun, but necessary. Taking a quick break to check the water nearby. It's interesting to see what kind of environment Mater's been living in all these years. Back to the engine, adding some more water into the radiator and trying to fill the system back up. Here's my full toolkit, sockets of every size, wrenches, extensions. When you're doing a restoration like this, you need to be prepared for anything. Mater deserves professional treatment. Getting my hands dirty now. Literally, I'm working on tightening these corroded connections. The trick is to apply steady pressure without snapping anything. Patience is key with old rusty bolts. Alright, now it's time to bring the ignition system back to life. We're definitely going to need the distributor wires for this job. This one's already connected, but where are the others? Feels like the rest of the wires are scattered all across the front compartment. Alright, now I need to reconnect the carburetor to the fuel pump and get the fuel flowing properly again. Checking my toolkit again. Got everything organized and ready to go. Blue batteries over here. They'll be important when we try to turn this motor over for the first time. Ah, there's the missing hose. Seriously though, what was it even doing hanging off this antenna? The engine is absolutely filthy. Decades of dust and grime covering everything. But underneath all that mess, I can see this is a solid American motor. They built these to last. Fuel isn't making it through the filter. Looks like we'll have to pour some gas. There we go. Gave Tow Mater a little fuel boost to help get him going again. This wheel assembly is rough, the rust has eaten into the bolts, and the rim is barely holding together, but the lug pattern is standard, which means we can find replacement parts if needed. Time to pump up MATER'S tires and get them looking alive again. What a goofy little pump. Alright, that should be enough for now. Forget this pump. Let's go hook up the battery and finally try bringing this thing to life. We've got power now, but the ventilation system kicked on way too aggressively. I should probably shut that thing off before it goes crazy. We've got RPMs now. Let's take Tow Mater for a ride, or maybe go cruising together with him. But looking at the dashboard and controls from the driver's seat, everything's covered in dust but mechanically complete. The ignition, the pedals, all the switches we need to get this truck running. The door panel fabric is completely worn out, but the window mechanism still works. That's what matters for now. Cosmetic stuff can wait until we've got a running vehicle. Beautiful view from up here in the cab. Rolling farmland stretching out to the horizon. This is the kind of scenery Mater should be driving through, not sitting and rusting away. Old Tow Mater is definitely worn out and tired, but he's still got enough strength left to keep working. What a handsome old machine, especially with those funny little buck teeth. Ha ha ha, and there are Tow Mater's eyes. That instantly makes the whole truck look alive again. Well everyone, thanks for watching. Today we managed to bring Tow Mater back to life. See you in the next adventure.